Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm about to head out to an event, so I just wanted to do this little nice chic glam. I'm gonna go ahead and jump straight into the video. So as usual, you guys know that I'm gonna start off with my eyebrows, and we're going in with Il Makiage today. Again, those products been so good to me. I'm using my Il Makiage Brow pen in brown. To clean up my brows, I'm going in with my Il Makiage BFF Perfecting Concealer. It is time to prime. I love the primer so much. I mentioned this before. It's the No Filter Poreless Base Smoothing Primer. Now it's time for the foundation, Il Makiage foundation, and this is in the shade 195, Woke Up Like This. When I apply this foundation, it's so much like skin. I really love the appearance. So I'm just gonna take that much and then blend it out. I really don't need a lot when using this. A little goes a long way. So I feel like this is the second time I'm actually wearing foundation out. I'm back in with the concealer to highlight, and I don't remember if I mentioned before, but this is number 13. That is the shade, so I'm just going to dot this. It just makes life way easier when I dot it. Now it's time to set. So I'm going in with my Il Makiage translucent powder. I'm just gonna set, just to make sure that everything is in place. You see how smooth and flawless everything is looking? Exactly what I want. So now that I'm through with the face portion, I'm just gonna move on to the eyes. So I'm gonna be going into my Playing in Makeup by Yolondo Jamrock Rebirth eyeshadow palette. These are the colors we're working with. So today I'm wearing neon green. It's summertime and neons are trending. So I'm actually going to go into my crease with a brown, to just kick things off. And I'm going to go in with Boss Chick. So that's this matte brown here. Ooh, we got some fallout. So I will definitely need some powder to just act as catch powder. Alright, so I'm not gonna go too OD with the shadows. As I say, I really want to make this kind of summery, and still appropriate for an event. Like nowadays when I go to my events, I try to keep things very minimalistic and very precise and just snatched. I don't go too OD. Like my lashes will be very extra, but everything else will be very, The next shadow that I'm going to go in with is Daya. So that's this green here. I'm actually going to use my finger to apply this. Ooh, this is very pigmented. This is really nice. I don't want a cut crease today. I'm not in the vibe for that. That's really nice. I'm loving that. I'm done with the shadow. Yes, as I said, I wanted this to be very soft. I'm gonna go in with my El Makiage liner, and this is blackout gel liner, and I'm gonna create a wing. So I'm done with applying my liner. I want to give the liner a pop, so I'm gonna go in with my JDGlow Cosmetics liquid gel liner in neon yellow. So this is gonna go well with what I'm wearing. So I'm gonna go over top of the wing liner and create like a straight. I'm gonna apply my lashes and come back, and I'm gonna do some dramatic lashes again. I've been loving them. I'm done with the eyes for now. All I need to do is go back in and add mascara, but before I do that, I'm just gonna dust away the powder I use as catch powder. Alright, so now to do a final set of everything, I'm going to take the El Makiage Hydrating Setting Spray and just go over everything. So I'm just gonna kind of cover my eyes. Then for glow, definitely my El Makiage Material Girl Mineral Baked Highlighter. So I'm gonna give you guys two options today for lippy. Of course, I'm gonna start it off with my El Makiage. This is my the champagne lip gloss. That's the shade Champagne. So literally, I'm gonna line the lips a tad with my El Makiage Natural Moisturizing Lip Liner in Brown. So I'm gonna line it with this first. I'll now go in with my lip gloss over that. And that's lip look number one. For our second lippy option, I'm gonna go in with color. So this lippy is from Guile Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Genie. And I kind of just tap in the product into my lip creases so that it doesn't crack easily. That is super gorgeous. I'm loving this look. Let me know what you guys think down below. So guys, that's the end of this look. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumb up, and I'll definitely be sure to list all the products used down below in the description box, as well as the El Makiage website, so you guys can go ahead and shop these products if you're interested. Also, this gorgeous wig is from rpghair.com. Duh. Yeah, so that's it for now, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.